Good evening from Frankfurt in Germany and welcome to a new video. In today's video I'm flying from Frankfurt to London Stansted with Ryanair. Our flight departs from Terminal 2, so let's get to the other terminal first. I took this flight in November of last year and I paid less than 10 euros for my ticket. Our flight today is going to be operated by a Boeing 737 MAX. Here's the Ryanair Check-In counter, which we won't need because we use the online check-in. In case you didn't know, Ryanair charges you 50 euros for using the check-in facilities at the airport. So make sure you have your boarding pass ready or this trip is going to end up much more expensive than expected. The next stop now is the passport control. In this terminal, security comes after passport control. Yes. This area of the airport was quite empty by the time. There were not many non-Schengen flights leaving that time. Lufthansa non-Schengen flight, however, departed from the other terminal. We still got plenty of time until boarding, so I decided to have a nap in this area. After my nap we went through security and started boarding. As usual for Ryanair flights, we are going to board the aircraft by bus today. The aircraft for today's flight is a by that time 4 months old Boeing 737 MAX. I was not really in a rush, so I let every passenger board first. My seat for this flight is 33B. The window seat, however, was not taken, so my actual seat was 33A. As expected, the legroom was a bit tight, around 23 centimeters. Well, then you get a tray table, which is sadly not movable. And up here there's the safety card.
Notified you during the check-in process, the country to which you are traveling may have specific COVID-19 requirements in force. Please ensure that you're aware of and comply with these requirements. Thank you.
So pushback has already started. Our flight time for today is around 1 hour and 10 minutes.
In case of an emergency evacuation.
Immediately after takeoff, the crew turned on these bright lights. So I just used the time and started editing my British Airways A380 video, which I shot the same morning. This video is already online. I put the link into the video description and it's also in the top right corner now. A bit later the crew started collecting the waste and turned the lights off. So as a short summary about the flight, it was not really eventful and my expectations were fulfilled. Actually, you shouldn't even have expectations on a ticket which cost you £9. But for now, please enjoy the evening landing at London Stansted. So welcome to London Stansted. It's actually my first time at this airport. Around 90% of the flights departing from Stansted are Ryanair flights. It takes 50 minutes to get from Stansted to the city centre. So thank you very much for joining me on this flight. I hope you enjoyed the review, and if you did so, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Have a great weekend and see you in 1 week for the next video.